Hello friends, I'm Bob. In this video, I will introduce common standard integration formulas. These formulas are really useful in helping you to reduce the number of steps for certain types of integration problems. For this particular video, I'm going to introduce this particular integration formula, and it is the integration of f prime x bracket fx to the power of n dx. So this gives you fx to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c, where n is not equals to -1. In order to apply the standard integration formula, the first thing that you have to do is to identify what is the fx term, f prime x term, as well as the n term in a integration problem. This integration problem should have a similar kind of style or form as this particular integration formula before you can apply the formula to solve the problem. Next, I will show you some examples in which you can apply the standard integration formula so that you can see how it actually helps to reduce solving the problem. For the very first problem we have is the integration of secant square x tangent x dx. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of restructure the secant square x tangent x into the following, which becomes the integration of secant x tangent x secant x dx. Then from here I will be able to identify what is my fx. In this case, my fx is secant x, and my f prime x is secant x tangent x. Basically, f prime x is just the differentiation of fx. And my n in this case is 1 because my power of secant x is just 1. Once I've identified what is my f prime x, fx, and n, I can apply the standard integration formula to move on to the next step. So my fx is basically just secant x, and then to the power of n plus 1 is just 1 plus 1 because my n is 1. And the denominator is just 1 plus 1 plus c. And hence the final answer for this particular problem is just secant square x over 2 plus c. Hence here I show you how to apply the standard integration formula to solve this particular problem. Now we move on to the next problem. We have the integration of ln x over x dx. The very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of restructure this particular problem again into the integration of 1 over x ln x dx, so that it is easier to see what is my fx, f prime x, and n, which is in this case my fx is ln x, and then the differentiation of ln x is 1 over x, so this is basically just f prime x, and my n is equals to 1 because the power of ln x is just 1. Once I'm able to identify what is my fx, f prime x, and n, I can move on to the next step, applying the standard integration formula. In this particular case, my fx is just ln x, and this is to the power of n plus 1, which is 1 plus 1 over my denominator is 1 plus 1 plus c. Further simplifying this answer, we get ln x to the power of 2 over 2 plus c. I hope this video helps you to understand how to apply the standard integration formula for this particular case, the integration of f prime x fx to the power of n. If you guys like this particular video, help me press the thumbs up icon and do consider to subscribe for more integration tips. My name is Bob. Thank you guys for your support, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye guys.